In this video, I'll show you how to create a table in Google Slides. If you want to organize information clearly on a slide, a table is one of the easiest tools to use. It works well for schedules, comparisons, pricing, features, or any content that needs rows and columns. In Google Slides on desktop, you can insert a table directly from the top menu, and Google says tables can be created up to 20 by 20 cells. To get started, open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the table to appear. Then click Insert, choose Table, and move your cursor across the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. Once you click, the table will be added to your slide right away. This is the standard method Google provides for adding a table in slides. After the table appears, you can click inside each cell and type your text. If you need more space, you can resize the whole table by clicking it and dragging from one of the corners. You can also adjust individual rows and columns by moving your cursor over a grid line and dragging when the two-sided arrow appears. Google's help page confirms that in Google Slides, you can resize the full table from the corners and resize rows or columns by dragging the grid lines. If you need to add more rows or columns later, right-click inside a cell and choose options like Insert Row Above, Insert Row Below, Insert Column Left, or Insert Column Right. And if you want to clean up the layout, you can right-click the table and use Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns to make everything more even. Google also notes that you can delete rows, columns, or the whole table from the right-click menu. To make the table look better, select one or more cells and use the toolbar to change the border color, border weight, border style, or fill color. This is helpful when you want to highlight headings or make your table match your slide design. You can also merge selected cells by highlighting them, right-clicking, and choosing Merge Cells. So the basic steps are simple. Open the slide, click Insert, choose Table, pick your row and column size, and then format it the way you want. That's how to create a table in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.